Best Sport Motorcycles 2025, Triumph Rocket 3 Storm GT. Triumph Motorcycles has once again pushed the boundaries of performance and innovation with the unveiling of the 2025 Rocket 3 Storm GT. This latest iteration of the Rocket 3 series promises to redefine the standards for power cruisers, blending unmatched performance with cutting-edge technology and luxurious comfort. The 2025 Rocket 3 Storm GT is powered by an updated 2,500 cubic centimeters triple engine, delivering a staggering 180 horsepower and an impressive 160 lb-ft of torque. This massive power plant ensures breathtaking acceleration and top-end performance, making the Storm GT one of the most powerful production motorcycles on the market. The engine's refined engineering offers a smooth and linear power delivery, making it equally capable of effortless cruising and high-speed touring. The 2025 Rocket 3 Storm GT represents the pinnacle of Triumph's engineering excellence, said Nick Bloor, CEO of Triumph Motorcycles. We've combined extraordinary power with advanced technology and premium comfort to create a motorcycle that stands out in every aspect. The design of the Rocket 3 Storm GT is a perfect blend of aggression and elegance. The bike features a muscular stance with a sculpted fuel tank, twin LED headlights, and a streamlined tail section. The extensive use of premium materials and finishes, including brushed aluminum and carbon fiber accents, adds to its luxurious appeal. The full LED lighting system ensures excellent visibility and adds to the bike's modern, high-tech aesthetic. Rider comfort has been a key focus in the development of the Rocket 3 Storm GT. The bike features a spacious and ergonomically designed seat, adjustable foot pegs, and handlebars to cater to a variety of riding styles and preferences. The advanced suspension system, including fully adjustable Showa front forks and a rear monoshock, provides a smooth and controlled ride, ensuring comfort on long journeys and stability during spirited rides. The 2025 Rocket 3 Storm GT is equipped with a host of advanced technologies to enhance the riding experience. A large, high-resolution TFT display offers comprehensive information, including speed, gear position, navigation, and ride modes. The bike also features Triumph's latest electronic rider aids, including cornering ABS, traction control, cruise control, and multiple riding modes, allowing riders to tailor the bike's performance to their specific needs and riding conditions. Industry experts and motorcycle enthusiasts have praised the Rocket 3 Storm GT for its unparalleled combination of power, technology, and comfort. The 2025 Triumph Rocket 3 Storm GT sets a new benchmark in the power cruiser segment, commented motorcycle journalist Lisa Chen. Its incredible engine, advanced features, and luxurious design make it a standout choice for riders seeking the ultimate performance and touring experience. With its blend of immense power, cutting-edge technology, and premium comfort, the 2025 Triumph Rocket 3 Storm GT is set to make a significant impact in the sport motorcycle market. Enthusiasts eagerly await its arrival at dealerships, ready to experience the perfect fusion of performance and luxury that the Storm GT offers. This model reaffirms Triumph's position as a leader in the motorcycle industry, pushing the boundaries of what a power cruiser can achieve.